Give me 2 minutes of your time and I will increase your conversion rate by 50% without you changing your script. Most salespeople think that they suck at closing, but in reality, they're just prospecting like amateurs. You might be spending time on people that aren't as hot as you think. Let's fix that. Now, behind me, what you will see is what Jeb Blount in the book Fanatical Prospecting refers to as the prospecting pyramid. Now, as you can see here very quickly, the majority of your database right now are either time wasters or distractions. An even smaller percentage of your database is just cold in general. An even smaller portion is warm-ish, and then we're moving up into the qualified and interested and the hot people. We really only want to be spending our time with qualified individuals that are interested or hot individuals that need to buy now. Now, as you already know, most underperforming sales individuals are spending all of their time in this area of the database, and that's exactly why they're losing. So the 3 steps that you need to do right now to increase your conversion rate drastically, if not over 50%, is look at your database and audit. And first and foremost, cut out the bottom 2 as much as possible. If they're missing emails, numbers, addresses, etc., cut them out. We don't need garbage in our database. Digging into it, what funnels are we leveraging? What are we saying to our database and what value are we communicating right now so we can actively get people to click on our clickbait so they can engage with us if they are ready to buy? I perceive these funnels and clickbait is shaking the tree. In addition, do we have a very steady follow-up system in place so that we're actively seeing who's actually engaging in our content? I know that my clients right now are sending out at a very minimum of 1 to 3 emails out per week. Who's opening them? Who's clicking on them? And who's engaging in it? Those are the individuals that I would call first and I would be spending my time with.